JD Cap 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we're going to do printer paper. And what you want to do is you want to take your printer paper and on the desk, you can't see this, but what I'm doing is putting it against the desk, making sure the top right here is nice and even. And then you take it and you want to fan it. You want to fan it like that, like you're doing dollar bills. And then again, do it on the top of the desk. We'll put it into the printer. That's next. Two spots to put printer paper, and one is down here in the middle. There's a handle that you pull out, and you have the bottom tray. When you have the bottom tray, you have to set it in the printer settings for a bottom tray. Then there's the top feed, which is behind over there, which you load the paper into. Behind here, there's a little bar that comes down like this. Little door, lift that up. Make sure these are separated. Take your paper and put it in there as best you can. I'm doing this one-handed, okay? Sorry about that, guys. And then put the door down like that. Okay, should be all set. That's how you do printer paper. This is for the Canon 7000. When it's in there, it should look nice and even, and it'll probably give you a beep when it's set in there right. That's my tip for today. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.